All right, so if we look at the history of XRP, we will notice that indeed XRP has been performing very, very well over the past couple of years. Let's have a deeper dive into it. So as you can see right here in the end of 2024, it had a massive boom and a massive increase from 40 cents all the way to $2.50 essentially. And then it really peaked around $3 before coming back down to $2. And it really shows that at these levels, with a market cap of 117 billion, it seems like there's stability. Therefore, we could call XRP a blue chip coin with limited upside, but also limited downside, so limited risk. However, that means that realistically, if you hold on to XRP, look at these long periods of nothingness. I mean, we're talking 2018 to 2024, so that's 6 years where just nothing happened with this coin. So what would be a different asymmetric play that we can find that could maybe yield us more than 5x or 2x over the next couple of years, and maybe even be 100x? So we have found an amazing coin. It is called Pepeto. You might have heard of it, you maybe not have heard of it. Rumor on the streets is that this is the original founder of Pepe, the original co-founder of the Pepe coin itself that is actually making this. Now, what's interesting about Pepito is, of course, it's more than just your basic meme coin. It already has a lot of clout. As you can see, a lot of YouTubers are talking about it. It already raised quite a bit of money. We're talking almost $7.5 million. And we can also look at the different power energy optimization, the fact that it's very clear that they're technology focused, just like XRP. XRP is also incredibly technology focused. As you can see, they have their audits proving that they are unruggable, proving that this is a solid project with good, sustainable tokenomics. As you can see, nothing high risk at all. It is a good, ready to go coin. Same here, as you can see, simple coin, nothing to say. It's all good. See critical, no, contract emissions around. You see it's green, it passes all of it, which is amazing. It shows that you can trust this in the long term. What's also cool is that Pepito is more than just a meme coin. As I said, it has its own exchange, which it's not live yet, but it will be once the project launches. It's had its own bridge, its own cross-chain bridge with 0 fees, which is quite amazing. So that really shows. And then, of course, you can also stake Pepito. Pepito is very nice, and that is a way to increase your Pepito earnings up to 215% per year. So, if you have 100 Pepito, it does 100x. You're also gaining twice or 3 times the amount of Pepito, then you have a 300x, right? So it's another way to really compound your earnings and really crush the game, essentially. And the innovative tools allowed it to really get high volume, which is quite amazing, and there's nothing else like that. The other amazing thing is that because it has its own exchange, all trading activity goes through Pepito, so it has a lot of control. We're going to look really quickly at the roadmap. As you can see, call to action. They're going to launch on a bunch of exchanges. 4th and 5th exchange is coming up. It has a lot going for it. And we're going to read the white paper really quickly just to make sure everything looks good. What's fun about this white paper is it's like fun play on white papers, which is very common for meme coins, actually, and some NFT projects. But what's very good is that even though it has this fun backstory explaining Pepito, it keeps it serious with technology and optimization, with the exchange, with major listings, with the bridge and the staking. I think the staking is something that we should not overlook because that can really increase our assets, right? Different phases, different AMAs, and indeed, with the total supply of 420 trillion, really banking on, just like Pepe, the same amount. It's really good that the tokenomics are extremely solid with you getting most of it, right? You are participating in pre-sale, you can get 30%. You are participating in the staking, you're getting that. So marketing 20% is fine, actually, and liquidity 12% is way higher than most projects, as well as the project development, which is not that much considering how much they're building. It's quite incredible what's going on here. The best part is, of course, the high pre-sale and staking. So the other thing we can say about Pepeto is, look, I mean, it's going to end in 2 days. What's nice with pre-sales is that you don't check a chart, you don't see what happens. You just buy, you wait, and then if the pre-sale is very, very good and there's way more people wanting the money, it just shoots up. And another way to see that, there's a real community going, we're going to open the socials. Look, on X has 13,000 followers. I mean, we've seen projects raise 50 million with less followers, and it has giveaways and it has all these great things. I mean, this shows real dedication and community in this project. Same with the Pepeto portal on Telegram, 13,000 members almost. The most impressive, I must say, is the Instagram with 34,000 followers. What's really nice here is the fact that Instagram is for the normies, which means that it's going to bring new money. People that have never bought crypto in their lives might buy for the first time Pepeto as their first crypto, which I think is incredibly cool. And then finally, the YouTube. Now, the YouTube, as we can see, there's not that many people subscribe, but that's normal. I mean, these are mostly going to be on TikTok, maybe on Instagram, and it's really going to make people interested in Pepeto coin and maybe make them buy it, essentially. So for all those reasons, Pepeto seems like it's on the path to incredible success. Anyways, this was Rex. I just presented to you Pepeto, and I hope to see you in the next video.